You just have to wonder how they got there with a vehicle like that. Now here they are lacking on the green, and they will get mad over me honking at them for doing.
Go! Come from Alabama to act the fool.
And now as a result, they all of the honking war, they just go slow under the speed limit. So I go over the pass, and everybody in Chicago passes this way. So no big deal. And everything is all fine and good until they catch up and honk at me for waiting for an opening in traffic.
Another one is still honking.
And that's it. They either couldn't keep up or they just gave up. Now, they probably won't make it back to Alabama, or, where they will be stuck on the side of the road somewhere, because get a load of this. As you can see, numerous engine and transmission problems with the only 400 of these that were ever purchased.